In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and send emails from a Yahoo account. First, let's dive in by heading over to Yahoo Mail. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Yahoo Mail URL. Once you've navigated to the Yahoo Mail homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your Yahoo ID, which is essentially your email address, followed by your password. Be sure to double-check these credentials before clicking on the Sign In button to ensure a smooth entry into the platform. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself in the inbox dashboard, which displays your most recent messages. To start composing a new email, look towards the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll spot a button labeled Compose. Click on that, and a new window will pop up for drafting your message. This is an important part of the process as it forms the basis of how your communication will be perceived. Let's get started on filling out the necessary fields. First, in the field marked To, type in the email address of the recipient to whom you're directing your message. If you wish to address multiple recipients, simply separate each email address with a comma. Next, your attention should turn to the subject line. This short piece of text summarizes the core of your email, so it's essential to keep it brief and descriptive. A clear subject line will assist the recipient in grasping the purpose of the email with just a glance. Below the subject, you'll find a spacious blank area dedicated to the body of your email. This is where you outline your main message. As you write, aim to be clear and concise, organizing your thoughts systematically. Proper grammar and spelling are crucial for conveying your ideas effectively. If your message requires additional documents or images, attaching files is straightforward. Locate the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Clicking on this icon will open a dialog for browsing your device for files. Once you've found the file you wish to attach, click on it, and select Open. The file will then appear as an attachment within your email. Finally, after meticulously composing your email, it's crucial to double-check all the details. Ensure the recipient's address, subject line, and the body of the email are accurate and complete. When you're ready to send it out, look for the Send button located at the bottom of the Compose window. With just one click, your email will be dispatched to its intended recipient. Congratulations! You've successfully sent an email through Yahoo Mail. Being proficient in email communication is an invaluable skill, and you're well on your way to mastering it. Well done on learning the essentials.